this then, to test our new car. Now listen, I've got a couple of questions for you. First of all, this.
Yeah, underneath the brake pedal I've fitted one of these, so you know which pedal you hit.
Oh, I see. So there's no chance of unintended acceleration.
Yeah, that's a big problem. Solved.
Am I pushing the right pedal? Yes, I am. There's an audible reminder. That's brilliant!
Not only that, but the nature of the noise.
Yes, it's funny. When it comes to cadence braking,
Oh, that is lovely.
because a cadence braking situation is a panic situation.
Yeah, it's bad.
But that sprinkles some comedy into it. And then the next one I've got really is this.
Well, I've been thorough here. I've addressed